What if I told you that you could save $5,000 this year without getting a second job, without winning the lottery, and without giving up your daily coffee? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to have a complete system to save money, even if right now you feel like you're barely surviving paycheck to paycheck. I'm going to walk you through exactly how, step by step. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome back to BudgetWise, the channel where we make money make sense. If you're new here, I talk about budgeting, saving, and building real financial freedom without the boring spreadsheets and jargon. If that sounds like your vibe, hit subscribe because I've got a lot more coming. Now let's talk about saving money. Here's the thing, nobody tells you. Most people don't have a saving problem. They have a seeing problem. You don't know where your money is actually going. Studies show the average person underestimates their monthly spending by hundreds of dollars. Subscriptions you forgot about, food delivery fees, little, just this once purchases that happen 4 times a week. So before we talk about how to save, we need to talk about why your money disappears in the first place. And that starts with step 1. Step 1, track every single dollar you spend for the next 7 days. Every coffee, every Uber, every Amazon impulse buy. Write it in your phone's notes app, use a free app like Mint or a simple spreadsheet. It doesn't matter how, just do it. Why does this work? Because awareness is the single biggest lever in personal finance. You cannot fix what you can't see. Most people who do this exercise find at least one category, usually food or subscriptions, where they're bleeding $100 to $300 a month without even realizing it. Quick tip. At the end of the 7 days, circle the 3 purchases that surprised you the most. Those are your leaks. Step 2. Give every dollar a job using the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple. 50% of your income goes to needs: rent, groceries, utilities, insurance. 30% goes to wants: eating out, entertainment, hobbies. And 20% goes to savings and debt payoff. Now, if you're in a tight spot, flip it, 60-20-20 or even 70-10-20. The percentages aren't sacred. The structure is. When every dollar has a destination before you spend it, you stop leaking money to I don't know where it went. Here's the pro move. Set up automatic transfers. The moment your paycheck hits, have your bank auto-move your savings percentage into a separate account. Out of sight, out of temptation. Step 3. The 24-hour rule. This one single habit has probably saved people more money than any budgeting app ever could. Here's how it works. Anytime you want to buy something that's not planned, over $50, you wait 24 hours before buying it. Why? Because impulse spending is emotional. It's dopamine. Give it a day and most of the time that urge fades completely. For bigger purchases, over $200, stretch it to 72 hours. You'll be shocked how many things you needed yesterday you don't even think about today. Step 4. Audit your subscriptions. The average person has somewhere between 8 and 12 active subscriptions and usually forgets about at least 2 or 3 of them. Streaming services you don't watch, apps you downloaded once, gym memberships you haven't used since January. Go into your bank statement right now, search for recurring charges, and cancel anything you haven't used in the last 30 days. This alone can free up $30, $50, sometimes $100 a month. Money you can redirect straight into savings. Step 5. Gamify it with a savings challenge. My favorite is the 52-week challenge, but reversed. Start big in January when motivation is high, and shrink the amount as the year goes on when motivation naturally dips. So week 1, you save $52. By December, you're only saving a few dollars a week. By the end of the year, you've stacked over $1,300, almost without noticing. Or, if you want something faster, the no-spend challenge. Pick 1 week a month where you spend $0 on anything non-essential. Do that consistently, and you'll free up hundreds over a year. Bonus tip, pay yourself first. Here's the mindset shift that ties this all together. Pay yourself first. Most people save whatever is left over at the end of the month, and there's almost never anything left. Flip the order. The moment you get paid, savings comes out first, like it's a non-negotiable bill. Everything else gets built around what's left. This one shift in order of operations is the difference between people who save consistently and people who say, I'll start next month forever. Let's recap real quick. 1. Track every dollar for 7 days. 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule to give every dollar a job. 3. Use the 24-hour rule to kill impulse spending. 4. Cut subscriptions you're not using. 5. Gamify your savings with a challenge. And finally, pay yourself first every single time. None of these require a raise. None of these require winning the lottery. They just require consistency. If this video helped you, do me a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And if you want the exact budget spreadsheet I use myself, drop a comment saying budget and I'll get it to you. Subscribe to BudgetWise for more videos like this every week. I'll see you in the next one.